Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Uh, my name remains DJ Jeff, the bomb, the Gele Master, Jeff Rosen. So anyone you prefer out of the three names, you can call me, and I will answer. First of all, I was at Enoge's platform yesterday, and just to air my view and my opinion, which I demonstrated my intelligence how to put peace to the both parties that are having problem on media. If my attention was drawn to a video of my brother Frank Umenwai while trying to tag my mom a very horrible name. If I may remind you, my brother Frank, you said my mother invited my sister to abroad and it took her to somewhere for a kind of job. My brother Frank, let me tell you, balegbe not be by pepper body until they talk waiting go come to pass. Balegbe teven. I balegbe mwemese. Let me tell you, my brother. On behalf of Adesagnon and Hanire family, we are giving you 48 hours to tender an apology. Yes, an apology to Adesagnon family. One, the mother you are referring to, she have children like me, not one, not two, not three, in abroad. It's a mother all of us will prostrate for her. We respect her because she has suffered for us. She makes sure all our children are doing well. With high esteem, the highest respect so far. That's what we give to our mother. My mother is a blessing to our family. A mother that invited all our children to abroad. Not only that, she makes sure we all are holding red passports. Yeah, citizenship, European passport. And she also makes sure we all bought a house in the Western world. That is a mother. So you cannot rubbish her name when you know she have even a son like me alone. Only me alone can revenge for my mother. Not to talk of my siblings. If someone offended you, or if you have a misunderstanding with somebody, face that person. You can tag the person whatever you want. The person can revenge for his or herself. You understand? But don't try to involve others. Let the lying dog sleep. Don't wake others. I saw your video. You tagged my mother a very horrible name. 48 hours, my brother, to tender an apology. To my mother and to Adesagnon family. If you know Adesagnon. If you know my father, Adesagnon, wow, my brother. Before you pronounce that name Adesagnon, you need to see what we do. Mani ma, ima ma. Me, I dey fear my own papa. I dey fear him up at my age. I dey fear my own father. You try to mismix my father's name. What the Adesu? Not even by my own time. Adesu Inirime. And you have forgotten one thing that this Adesagnon and this my mother were rubbish in here now. Their children are here in abroad, not be Nigeria with you. We are not coming here with visa. Who is calling me? Okay, MC Papilo, I will reply you later, please. I see MC Papilo is calling me. I've seen like 5 or 6 of your missed call. I will reply you, sir. I'll reply well later. Let me first finish my video. I'll reply you. Bro, we don't come here by visa. Maybe if there's any problem, we cannot withstand it. No. The document we are having will not renew. You understand? That is for you. 48 hours to tender an apology to my family. That is one. Then number 2, I want to appreciate Enogie. After I've aired my opinion on his platform yesterday, immediately he pulled out of that matters. Up till now, he have not said anything about that issue that concerning my sister. So I appreciate you. And I think 2 people have also put a call to me that also my brother Ajebo Alameya OFA. Please, I want to use this medium to draw your attention. And I'm saying please, sir. I really don't have that time to watch your video, but I think someone or 2 persons have also told me you also trying to involve my family. I'm Adesagnon family. Egbenana miabe senators. Egbeni husband and wife and I senator. Egbenana ye school no. I rubbish nini. No, you don't go there. I rubbish nini. I try. Because I will no one no. I'm not threatening anybody, but I'm pleading. Wahala. If you want to talk to my sister, Wagwaleri Enie, you talk direct to her. Don't involve others. My attention was also drawn to Mr. What's his name? This guy in Spain. World updates. I saw your video. You spoken well, my brother. You spoken well. You spoken well. You spoken well. I wanted to call you one time during when you were having a dispute with my artist. I wanted to call you one time, but I decided not to call that moment. So, on my artist's behalf, that is bygone. Anyway, Igbirane. World update OSA when we analyze it. So, Mr. Ameya OFA, thank you so much. When Wata Sena on my video, Ima only anybody. Because I know when we Logan, on Wata gain by or Logan. And you should know that Omanwa we me Yokpa or Adesagnon. My father also have other kids, other children. Don't tag my father's name to any rubbish or my mother's name. So for you, Mr. MC Papilo, well done. This is your mission. Mission accomplished. Thank you so much. You just want to make sure you rubbish my sister's name and maybe also rubbish my family's name, because I see no reasons, as I've earlier said on the Noge platform. You are being booked for an MC. People that did not book you, they are not the one that booked you for the show. They are not the one demanding for your song. And also observe, maybe you are doing the song freely. If you are doing it freely, I will be your manager. I will buy ticket for you. Come and be performing it for everybody because they demand for it. So you come, perform it, then leave the spray money. Since they demand for your song, you don't need the money. Can you imagine? You perform. The celebrant did not request for your performance. She only requests for your services as an MC. You perform. You did not leave the money for the celebrant. You packed all the money. You put it in your pocket. That wasn't enough. Another person gave you your balance 100 euro. That wasn't enough. You still went ahead on media to make sure you rubbish my sister's name. It's not a problem. I'm also waiting for your apology officially. You are my brother, you are my friend. You know we can meet anywhere, any day. You know that. So, Mr. MC Papilo, An apology will be demanded from your behalf of Adesagnon and Hanire's family. And also, Frank Umenwa, an apology. And every other people on media, please, let's put a stop to this nonsense or this rubbish. Wahala. What's your bobo? Wow. Why, webo? Because now I don't have na my kind of the media was soon. Wahala. Ijoma. Malati kakani jemoni man Malati kakani rame. That means I don't know myself. If I cannot stand on behalf of my parents, meaning I don't know myself. So we are around. We are all over the world. So where you are right now, any of my siblings can be standing there with you. You don't know. So please. And also, if I would like to introduce myself, anyway, if you know people where they work with, maybe, anyway, it's okay. It's okay. I think I should end this video like this. But for you, Mr. MC Papilo, the spray money, you not leave out. You pack the spray money. In all, they still give you your balance, but you still went ahead to make sure you escalate the issue. This is your mission. Abi, all I'm still saying is, please, Enijeme, my father's name and my mother. So the both identity shouldn't be involved on this saga or my siblings.